Alright guys, this is David Secondary Comics. Gonna do an unboxing of a baseball card. Just got this from Topps.com, just delivered today. And yeah, so this is the Topps Chrome Black. Good packaging. As you can see right there, Topps. Yeah, so this is it. It's a new product that came out a few months ago, and what he says 4 trading cards. So there's going to be one that is case. I don't know if it's going to be a base, parallel, or parallel rookie or what, but so sequentially that is number base parallel. Yeah, so all right, let's get into this. All right, so here it is. So what I think about this, I've been watching a lot of unboxing of this here, and it's pretty much a chase, guys, when it comes to. So there's the pack, and I'm just gonna put this foam at the bottom so nobody can see what that is. So let's go with the card here. There's 3 cards. All right, so what we got Joe Adele. It's a pretty card. I love the design on this, just very nicely done. The second card will be Dylan Carlos, red. Don't know what that refractor is, but there's a blue. It's a Phillies. Mike Trout, Angels, blue. Wow, 4/5. 4/5. Not bad. What the blue one is number 275. 72 of 75. Mike Trout. Yeah, that's a big hit right there. Dylan Carlos, I don't think he's a rookie, but you know, it's a red parallel. All right, so we got the. All right, so this is it, guys. Let's see who we got. All right, sorry, it's Brewers. I don't think it's an autograph. Oh, yeah. Paul Monitor. Just base. So that is it, guys. Hope you like it. I guess the biggest hit right now for me is these 2 right here. Dylan Carlson. 4/5. Red parallel. And you got the blue refractor. Number 275. So what I think is, like I said, it's pretty much a chase, guys, a gamble. But if you like this type of hype, I got another box that I've ordered, and hopefully you get that. And also, I think I ordered the Topps Chrome or Topps Chrome Sapphire edition or whatever. So I'll be unboxing that as soon as I get it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Shoots.